Molecules. Search for substances. Search among organic and inorganic substances and take a look at their structural formula. Sort the substances. Sort the substances by various properties. Insert into mozaBook. Insert tool content into your publication. Let's find out how to use the Molecules tool. Scroll through the list of substances. You can sort the list by name or molar mass. Click here to sort the list by other criteria. Organic and inorganic substances are marked with different colors. Click on this icon to view the structural formula of the substance. Click on these arrows to view the next substance on the list or the previous one. Click on these icons to switch between view modes. For most of the substances, there is a related 3D scene, which you can open from the tool. Click here to return to list view. Search for a substance by name. Click on this icon to display the filters. You can filter organic and inorganic substances. Click here to hide all the organic substances on the list. Drag and drop the image to insert it into mozaBook. Drag and drop text to insert it into mozaBook. Insert into mozaBook as you wish. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.